Yo, what's up guys? So I haven't made a video in a while. So I got this garden thingy, and I guess everyone has been doing it. They've been putting on their front bumper as a lip, and I might try. I think it might turn out pretty good, or maybe not. But it's a lip, and I might need one. Yeah, I was gonna trim this part off. I'm also gonna do an oil change and also look for a leak around here, because there's a bunch of oil just sporting somewhere. And now it's starting to like leak a lot, so I find out where it's coming from. I think it might be the bead line from the turbo, but I'll go ahead and do that real quick after your engine cools down. Yeah, the fan's there just so it can cool down faster, that way I can just work on it. So fix the leak, or fix the feed line, redo that, redo everything that's around there that's oil lines, and then change the oil and put that stuff back in. I might need a new silicone hose, because this one ripped right here. Yeah, the car drives fine, it just dies after boost. Sometimes if I hit boost really hard it dies, sometimes a little bit, because you know it's Atmos blow-off valve and it's supposed to be recirculated, so it's stored up in fuel when it's not supposed to. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I can show you guys how to do this. I'm just gonna cut this part off, but I can't really hold this and do it at the same time. So yeah, let me go ahead and just cut this thing off. Alright, so I cut the top piece off. It's alright. I took my time, tried cutting it out. It's not really perfect, but it doesn't really matter to me. Also, the reason why I'm doing this is because I was going to use this thing to cover this broken part up. I mean, it's probably best to just get a new bumper, but I thought I'd just do it for fun, have some experience. Yeah, zip ties holding onto this. Alright, so I got this button thing from Walmart. Well, I mean, somewhere. Like, just took it. And what it does is, all you just like drill the hole, stick it in there, and push this down, and it like spreads. And it spreads these things apart. Let me focus here. Sorry if I'm really shaky. Why am I so shaky? Alright, see how it spreads apart now? That's basically what it does. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some tape, hold it up there, see how I want it. I might clean it up a little bit first. Alright, so I got some double-sided tape. Stick it on here. I think it might give it a better, clean look, rather than just drilling a bunch of holes or using the buttons, because you know it's going to show. So I got that done, but before I do that, before I put that thing on, I'm going to change the oil, that way the jack doesn't bust the lip already. I'm going to go ahead and just drain the oil and try to fix the leak real quick. And put the lip on, fill it with oil and everything, and then start driving it. Alright, so looks pretty good. Let's go this part. See all that bumps and stuff? It's because me and my brother, I mean he's cutting the grass right now, but when he put it on, he put his on first and it wasn't straight. And the double-sided tape is so sticky. So I just left it. I just put it on and just bent it a little bit. But it's alright, I mean it's alright. What do you guys think? I mean, it would look good if I put it on right. So I tightened a few lines. So it should be good. And just check this out, Here's the oil filter, right? If I turn it, it's kind of hard to see, but you see that red stuff? That's the coolant. So I think I found where my coolant was leaking. Somewhere there. Put some clamps on here, there, and the one down there. Tighten that bolt a little bit. good. It should be good anyways. No knock. 10W30. I was running 5W, but I guess, you know, it's too thin. It might be leaking because of that. But it doesn't really matter. 10W, 5W. It's still a little hot out, so I'm just gonna run 10W so then. So I'm going for Louis Drive and, you know, see if it smokes from here again, because the oil is stuck in the manifold somehow, smoking, leaking somewhere. But yeah, I'm going for a car wash and then maybe get some frozen yogurt. Let me go ahead and give you guys a rough a little bit since it's been a while. Hope my neighbors don't mind. I just hold it from here since the fan is so fucking loud. Sounds pretty healthy. I hope that was good. Yeah, it almost died a little bit because it's still dumping a little bit of fuel. And it's still, I think, it's recirculated blow valve. But yeah, I kind of like it though. Look at that. Better than seeing that ugly broken bumper there. Got a spare one up there too anyways. But I'm just too lazy to change it out. But yeah, I'm going for a drive, let you guys know. Yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. And I'll also try to get someone to hold the camera or the phone and maybe get some rolling shots of it too. So see you guys next time.